Hello and welcome to Don Hewlett Chevrolet Buick in Georgetown. My name is Dan, and today we're going to be looking at the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado LT Trail Boss. Let's take a look. Starting in the front, you're going to have our black bow tie with the Z71 badging and the red tow hooks, which are specific to the Trail Boss trim. What you can't see is that there's a couple of skid plates underneath, and what you can see is that there's a beautiful black hood scoop specific to the LT Trail Boss. Now, nestled beneath that is our 5.3-liter V8 making 355 horsepower and 383 foot-pounds of torque. And if you want to come along the side, there's some other things I'd like to show you. Specifically, this one has been optioned with our 20-inch gloss black wheels and all-terrain tires, which is going to be pretty standard on a Trail Boss, with black running boards that bring us to the back and your gas cap on the driver's side of the vehicle. But if you want to come around to the back, there's actually some cool stuff back here as well, like the bumper edge steps that have been pioneered by Chevrolet, and of course our LT badging letting you know the trim of our vehicle. But taking a look, you can see we've got a soft closed tailgate, so it's not going to slam down on you, and it's been lined with our Chevy Tech bed liner from the factory, so you can rest assured that your bed is protected. But taking a look in the bed, you'll see we have a 120 volt, 400 watt outlet, so you can use the truck like a generator should you need to. But it doesn't stop there. Let's take a look on the inside. Sitting in the driver's seat, you're going to be afforded a pretty incredible experience, starting off on this door card with Bose Premium audio. Of course, you've got your lock and unlock controls here, the ability to adjust your mirrors and control your windows, but it doesn't stop there. Just a few inches away, you'll see we've got our drive mode selector and 2-speed transfer case with 4-wheel drive high and 4-wheel drive low, specific to the Z71 package. But there's even more on the inside I'd like to show you right here. So here you'll see we've got our incredibly spacious cabin. It's super comfortable with an 8-way adjustable seat for the driver, and you've got tons of space with a little bit of cutout in the roof for taller people as well. Now across the dash you've got a soft touch material, which is caressing our 12.3-inch driver information display and our 13.4-inch touchscreen display for all of your infotainment. Now, on that infotainment, you've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Google built-in, so you don't have to connect your phone if you don't want to, but you can connect your phone, and it's no problem. It's as easy as throwing it down into your wireless charging pad and having it paired up through Bluetooth. Now, this unit does come equipped with a backup camera, so you can see it's got predictive lines for how your steering inputs are being put into the vehicle. Of course, you've got your trailer cam and your hitch cam when you want to line up to make sure you can get it right without having somebody back there telling you where to go. Of course, across you've got your controls here for your hill descent, your traction control, your emergency flashers. You can drop the tailgate from inside, turn off your auto stop and start of the engine, and have your lane assist as well. Now, speaking of trailering, you do have your integrated trailer brake with gain, and the interesting thing being that your truck will remember your trailer once you get it connected in your settings input. Across the middle, you can see we've got our climate controls here with heated seats for you and your passenger, a heated steering wheel, and 2-zone climate controls. Interestingly enough, you have your gear selector here, which is a shift-by-wire system now. So, to put it into drive, you merely press the button on the left and pull it back. To put it in reverse, you press the button on the left and push it all the way forward. And parking is as simple as the press of a button. Now you have extra space in this vehicle as well in the glove compartment. Taking a look, you can see you've got a very large amount of space down here with a full wall outlet, a USB-A and a USB-C, making it a total of 4 USB outlets, and a ton of space below as well. You're going to be treated to the beauty of our 13.4-inch driver's touchscreen display for all of your infotainment needs with your app center here in the front. You also have your audio controls with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And you have Google built in. So for 8 years with OnStar, you'll be able to get navigation on this vehicle without connecting your phone, get yourself crash assistance, and get phone controls for the vehicle as well. Now you can manage your connected phones through this screen, setting up your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, And you can adjust your trailers, change their names, change their settings, all through this suite as well. Now, taking a look into the back seat, we've got more space than this side of the Mississippi. All the way across, it's a bench seat for your rear seat passengers with vents, and believe it or not, 2 more outlets in the rear with USB-A and USB-C. You can raise these seats up where you'll find your jack kit, and you also have a little bit of extra space, and you have a ton of room in these back seats. With a similar depression in the ceiling, standing at 6'3", even I can get back here comfortably and not be pressed by the size of the rear seating. The Chevrolet Trail Boss is here for you and your family to make sure you have enough room and capability to do what you need to do. Stop by Don Hewlett Chevrolet Buick in Georgetown and learn more.